10th class mathematics real numbers. Show that root 5 is an irrational number. Show that root 5 is an irrational number. Solution. So we can prove or we can show this. We can prove or we can show by this method, a technique called a method of contradiction. We can show this by a method of contradiction. That method is called method of contradiction. For that, let us assume, so we assume that root 5 is a rational number. We assume that root 5 is a rational number. Then root 5 can be written as r by s. This is the rational number definition, where r and s are integers. Root 5 is equal to r by s, where r and s are integers and s not is equal to 0. Dividing r and s by their HCF, highest common factor, dividing r and s by HCF, then we get root 5 is equal to a by b, where a and b are co-primes. Why they are co-primes? Because there is no common factors. So a and b are co-primes. Let it be statement 1. So transposing b to the right side. So squaring on both sides, what we get? B root 5 whole square is equal to a square, that is b square 5 is equal to a square. So from this we can conclude that 5 divides a square. 5 divides a square. So this 5 divides a square. That means 5 divides a. 5 divides a. So let it be statement 2. So if we divide a by 5, we get some coefficient c and remainder 0. So it can be 5c is equal to a. We can write 5c is equal to a. So therefore b square 5 is equal to a square, that is b square. So in place of a square we can write 5c. So 5c whole square. So b square 5 is equal to 25c square. So removing 5 from both sides, b square is equal to 5c square. Therefore 5 divides b square. That means 5 divides b. So let it be statement 2. So from statement 2 and 3 we can conclude that because 5 is a common factor for a and b, from statement 2 and 3 we conclude that 5 is common factor. 5 is common factor of a and b. Therefore a and b are not co-primes. A and b are not. Statement 4. So statement 1, a and b are co-primes, and statement 4, a and b are not co-primes. A and b are not co-primes. So these two statements are contradictory to each other. So one statement is a and b are co-primes, and second statement is a and b are not co-primes. So this has arisen, these two statements are contradict to each other. These two statements are contradict to each other. This contradiction, this has arisen because of our wrong assumption. Because of our assumption that root 5 is a rational number. Root 5 is rational number. We assumed that root 5 is a rational number. So this assumption, this is wrong. Therefore root 5 is irrational number. So our assumption is wrong. Therefore root 5